In this video, I will show you the simple process of how to paste text into Napkin AI to quickly generate professional visuals. I'm starting on a page where I've already built out a content strategy flywheel, but now I want to create a brand new visual using some existing notes. I'll begin by heading up to the top left-hand corner of the screen and clicking on the new Napkin button. This opens a menu asking how I would like to add my text, giving me options to describe an idea, import a file, or start with a blank canvas. I'm going to choose the first option, by pasting my text, which is the most efficient way to turn my raw notes into clear diagrams. In the pop-up box that appears, I'll paste in my content. I'm using a 5-step content creation workflow today that covers everything from initial topic research and script writing to final distribution. Once the text is in, the tool automatically begins to structure the information for me on a fresh page. Now, if I prefer a more manual approach with even more control, I can click New Napkin again and select the blank napkin option at the very bottom. This opens an entirely empty workspace where I can see the blank canvas ready for my ideas. I click directly onto the canvas and paste my text here to start building my visual from scratch. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to paste text into Napkin AI.